Naya Jammu and Kashmir is in making. We have seen gone are days when youngsters in Kashmir Valley used to pick up guns, they used to have stones in their hand. But right now we can see a positive transformation taking place. And because of which we can see the change there on the ground. Many of the youngsters are now picking up several games so that they can carve niche for themselves and also make their country India proud. I'm joined by Secretary of Jammu and Kashmir Pickle Association, Mr. Virat Singh. What kind of a response you are getting because in Kashmir Valley? Because we have seen earlier there used to be a totally different kind of an atmosphere. It was all about death, destruction everywhere. But now we are seeing more and more youngsters coming towards the sporting arena. So what was the response?
See, the response is very positive, and we are sort of proud to have our JNK team, pickleball team, representing the state. And this is the first time ever our team has come forward and been part of a pickleball, the nationals. And we wish that more people get encouraged by looking at all the children who've come here, all the students. And most importantly, we had a girl from Jammu who came second in the under 18 girls singles. So that's something which is big for the state. And as an overall, I think we, as an association, we want to encourage the youth not only towards certain sports, but as an overall to focus and sort of drive their attention towards sports so that it can take them forward and, like you rightly said, keep them away from all the wrong sort of things which are happening across the state.
What were the challenges you had to face initially when you introduced this pickleball game in Kashmir Valley especially?
So, see, initially it was quite a challenge because it's a new sport, and I won't say only in Kashmir, but across the country a lot of people are still not aware about the sport. So it's taken us quite a bit of time, and we made a community and we are growing it, and as of now it's positive. So we wish to take support of the government and take it across all different districts so that we can make this into a sport which is going to be played in every corner of the state. So that's the aim.
And you think that the tournament here in the Bennett University is really going to inspire more and more youngsters, and how you find the infrastructure here?
So I think this is one of the best platforms which the IPA is sort of taken out, and we want to replicate this in our state also and have the opportunity of setting up national level events, because like I said, it's going to be pushing the youth there by all these kids who've come across for the nationals. They're going to go back, speak about the experience, and if you can see there all kinds of levels of players here. So it's a great sort of experience, and we wish to replicate this idea and take it to the next level in Kashmir, across the state.
First thing came in your mind when you entered inside the Bennett University for this tournament?
So the infrastructure here is amazing. I think it's one of the first universities I've seen it has paddle courts, so many pickleball courts, and they've made a full setup for the nationals here. We have a lot of the team who's even staying at the campus. So as an overall, it's been a great experience, and we wish to be part of these events more often.
And how you see now youngsters trying to script Naya Jammu and Kashmir by carving niche for themselves in different sporting activities, and how do you see this change?
So we wish, like I said, we wish that everyone is sort of encouraged, and we push them and giving them the best platform, and most importantly, we want to give them the best infrastructure. So we wish to sort of set up pickleball courts across everywhere and get all kinds, because it's a sport which can be played not only for the youth but all age groups. So you have, even out here, you have a 35 plus group, then you have the 60s. So it's a sport for everyone, and we wish the same that we can replicate it in Jammu and Kashmir.
So it's a very big moment for them, because reason being that they had been able to get the youngsters from different parts of Jammu and Kashmir to this place. They are sure that they are going to get inspired after seeing many other players playing here in Bennett University, and they want to replicate same thing in Kashmir Valley as well as in Jammu region, so that more and more youngsters get addicted to this sport and they start playing game. Because at the end of the day, it is not only about sporting activity, it's also about the character building. And when we talk about the character building, at the end of the day, it's about the nation building.